Hello everyone, so if you want to insert an SD card into your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Festival, let's locate an SD card tray. It's right here at the left side of your tablet. Now grab your SIM ejecting tool and enter it into the hole into your SD card tray. So just like this. Now gently push it and let's take out our SD card tray. Now grab your SD card and place it right here. So place it, make sure that it fits good. As you can hear, it has some click in it. So now make sure that the contacts are facing top. Grab your tablet and simply insert your SD card tray back, and basically that's it. That's how you insert your SD card into your Samsung tablet. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.